Today we are going to wash my car. Ja, Autoprodukte als Make-up.
Ah, ja, so eine hübsche Frau braucht auch kein.
Oh, danke schön. I haven't washed my car in forever. It's like over a month. And I wanted to see how dirty it could get by not washing it as I used to do. Most of you guys know already what car I have, and for people who doesn't know, I'm gonna show it of course soon, but it's a Seat Ibiza in white color, which is why I'm having a white shirt on to match with the car. It's probably not a good idea to have white on while washing your car, but let's take the risk. In summer, I also wash my car less because I have a motorcycle that I also need to wash. In winter, I wash my car around once a week. You really need to get all the salt off and the dirt and the snow. You really need to wash that off from the car. In summer, it's a bit less. I also use my motorcycle more, and then I also need to wash my motorcycle, of course. So yeah, I wash then my car maybe once every second week. But over a month is actually a new record. I haven't done that. I've had this car for almost 3 years, and I've never gone not washing the car for over a month. Unless I went to a holiday or something, then of course I'm not using the car. Let's see how that looks like. We are going to drive to a car wash place because I don't have space where I live to wash my car. And then I will take you step by step of how I wash my car. And I use the products from Expat Car Care. Thank you so much, Expat Car Care, for letting me use your amazing products that you have. And they are so easy, especially if you are new in washing your car. They don't have so many products. It's very easy to use, and I will go through it step by step. So guys, let's go wash the car. You can already see it's not so white anymore. We still have winter tires on. They're also really dirty. I need to change to summer tires very soon. But the last few days it's been -degrees, and inside is also very dirty. We arrived to the car wash place. Let's have a look. Honestly, it's not that bad. And it's actually not that bad. I've seen my car being worse dirty only after a week. So this is a dirty car after 1 month. This is how it looks like in front. Also not that bad. Even if I've used the car almost every day. Let's give it a super good clean. My trunk looks so bad. Inside my car, it's like nobody sits behind, so you can see how clean it is compared to the truck. These lines are over a month old. Then you know nobody sits behind. I have my stuff, shopping bags, but the truck behind, this is a disaster. I have so many things. So let's get through the products. I'm gonna show you step by step of the products I'm gonna use from Expat Car Care. We have the breakup for the wheels. We have Blast for pre-wash. Then we have Drip Snow Foam, also for pre-wash. Glow for contact wash. Glow Up for ceramic spray coating. We dry the car with the towel from Expat Car Care. We make the tire shine with Blackout matte dressing. After we dry the car, we use clear glass cleaner for the windows. And then you have done the whole exterior cleaner with Expat Car Care. Let's get to it. For some of the products, we need some equipment. I have this for the drip snow foam. I have the bucket for the contact wash, and I have this for the wheels. I use a wash mitt for the contact wash, and I also use a brush for places where I can't really go with the wash mitt. So guys, for this washing place, we have these programs here, but I'm not gonna use everything because the products for me are enough. We have all these programs that people usually use, but I don't use it. The first thing is of course PowerShower. I always use that. That's my favorite. A car wash place without that snow foam is just not a car wash place. Why would there be a car wash place without snow foam? It's crazy. Like, how are you washing your car? Just with water? Not gonna work with me. So I'm really happy that most of the places here has snow foam. I don't use this, I don't use this, I definitely don't use this. This is a big red flag. I use this is just water. You can also use this I feel it's too strong for the paint. It's like extra power. So I use the snow foam and I use clear water. That's it. And for this we need some coins jeton, which I also got, and they are so cute because I like that this is called Happy Car Wash. On the coin it also says Happy Car Wash because we are happy when we wash our car, right? I'm gonna start cleaning the wheels first. And with that we need the breakup for the wheels. I also need the bucket first time, so I can use this brush to clean everything off, all the dirt. I just use a splash of contact wash. Putting a splash of this the same time, because the water there, it also costs. I'm gonna make my snow foam pre-wash ready in this bottle. I'm taking this drip snow foam. Let's take this and this. This is the water canal, whatever, put a coin. So, let's get started. Let's see how smart it was having a white shirt on. Now, I'm not gonna stop and talk a lot because we don't want the products to dry on the car. That's the most important thing. Don't let the products dry on your car. You need to do it fast, especially in summer when the sun is shining. Let's get to it. We spray breakup on the wheels. I ran out of gloves, so I only have one. Make sure to get all the dirt off, especially inside. Now for the places where you can't get, I also have a brush for that. You also make the tires a little bit on the side, because here is also dirty, very dirty. You repeat this on all 4 tires. Look how nice and purple this tire is. In between everything, make sure it's not so dirty. We now spray blast before we touch the paint. I spray it on dirty visible area to make it help dissolve the dirt. Right after that, we spray drip snow foam on top of the blast. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can use the snow foam from the car wash place. Now, yeah, I'm really gonna use snow foam this time, not to get a new one. You're supposed to have a very nice spray after you. I mean, I've done it 1,000 times. You can see my other videos. We're dropping the drip snow foam and we're using the snow foam from the car wash place. Now, while we're waiting 1-2 minutes for it to sit a bit, I'm gonna empty the bucket that I used for cleaning the wheels, because I have to use it again. But we don't reuse the same water. Empty the water. You can see some stone dirt inside. So before I reuse the bucket, I wash it quickly. I start with the wheels. First half of the car is done, let's do the next half. By only using blast and snow foam, you can already see the car is actually clean. If I needed to do a quick wash, I would have stopped right now and dried the car, but it's not 100% clean. We still need to do the contact wash. Today, it's very important that we do it shiny. So as I said before, this we use for the wheels and we need to clean it. So what I'm gonna do is wash it quickly and put a bit of drip snow foam and fill it up with water. We will spray some snow foam on top of the car again, and then we will begin with the contact wash. Now, the correct way of doing contact wash. You either need around 5 of these mist or 2 buckets. 1 clean water and 1 bucket with soap. We don't want that the mist catches some stones from, I don't know, from the side of it, and then we continue doing contact wash and scratch the car. I'm gonna do it with 1 mist and 1 bucket. I'm gonna do the top first, and I'm gonna end up cleaning the bottom at the end to hopefully avoid all the scratches if there is something it's gonna catch from the bottom of the car. So let's get to it. Where my mist can't go, my brush can go. We are now on the last part of the exterior cleaning, staying in the car wash place and not annoying the people that are waiting. Nobody's waiting. It's time to put some ceramic coating on the car. Now I already put it around 1 month ago, and if you noticed how the water is going away, that's how it's supposed to look like after you put this. So actually, I'm gonna show you very quickly how to do it, and my car doesn't need much, but I'm gonna show it to you anyways. Again, we don't let products dry on the car. I'm gonna spray up on the car very fast, and then I'm gonna wash it right away with water. Now, since nobody's waiting to wash their car, I'm gonna dry my car while staying in the washing place. It's so much easier. We're gonna dry the car with a drying towel from Expect Car Care. This towel can dry your car and my car at the same day. Oh no! Look what flew on my car. What is it doing? Go away. Ew. Come. Fly away. Hello. Guys, help me. No. Okay. Oops. Let's continue drying the car. Now look at the magic here. This towel doesn't leave any streak. I'm gonna ask somebody to hold my phone so you can see it, because you're too low for this. Kannst du nur hier halten, so. Nein, so.
So.
Genau. Dankeschön. Look at the wonder it does. Somebody's washing their car next to me. They keep making my car wet. So I'm gonna drive out on the side of the road. So guys, we changed the spot to one of these where you actually dry your car. And then I'm gonna dry the car again because it got a bit wet. After that, I'm gonna use the clear for my windows. Happy car wash car! Before I fully dry it and use the clear glass cleaner, I apply the Blackout dressing for my tires. I have a microfiber towel. You can see this is the only towel I use for the wheels. I have a sponge and I have Blackout dressing. We need to make the tire look fresh and matte again. Look how dry it looks like, and I don't like that. So if the tire is wet, you of course dry it. Apply a little bit on one of these sponges and you go to the tire. Now, if it hits the wheels, make sure to remove that part. We don't want it on the wheels, only on the tires. Now look at the difference here. All fresh and nice again. Remember to remove everything you get on the wheels. So let's do it on all 4 tires. I mean, look how nice it looks like. You really spray very little on the sponge, especially if you have used it before. It collects a lot. And this is before. Do this trick that people do after. Wow, it looks nice. Now we did all the windows from the outside. I'm also gonna do it inside. Now, nobody sits behind, so it's not really dirty. I'm also gonna use it on my screen. You can see how dirty that is. And I can also use it here on this mirror. Super. Sadly, I forgot my interior cleaner from Expert Car Care. I was planning on also clean it fully inside, but not today. I'm just gonna clean the carpets, which is super dirty. And this carpet. Can you see the dust flying around? That's how dirty my car is. I'm not gonna make a video of showing you how I clean it inside without the product. I'm just gonna clean it very quickly, remove most of the dust, and then I'm gonna vacuum the carpets. And it's not so bad inside. I mean, it is where I sit and drive, and sometimes people sit next to me, but nobody sits behind. So as you saw, I still have those pretty lines that I did 1 month ago. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm actually done cleaning the car. So guys, we reached until the end. We have a super clean Seat Ibiza. It's shiny thanks to Expert Car Care products. I mean, they don't have so many products you use. You use these few products that I showed in the video, and then you have a nice and clean car. You have this amazing towel that can dry the entire car and the entire second car if you want that, without leaving any streaks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you reached this far, remember to subscribe and like my video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I'm gonna try to answer as much as I can. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.